stupid fast lock picking. Where the fuck did I put my things? There they are. Nice right away. So we have the Master Lock Series 140 in brass. And this is stupidly, I can pick this stupidly fast. In fact, I don't even think I'm hitting all the pins. I think I'm only hitting one pin. We're doing single pick lock picking with this bitch. And whoops. Of course, as soon as I go on camera, I can't pick it stupidly fast. It's fine, we'll just go through all the pins. Just gonna move this. I know, 10 out of 10 YouTube quality right there, boys and girls. Was I even paying attention to the right direction? I was. There you go. Alright, let's try it again. See if I can actually do it stupidly fast this time. Pay attention with a wiper insert. There you go. Stupid fast. And look. Maybe we're gonna. I'm gonna do this just so basically all the pins are reset. Just so you don't call bluff and say all the other pins are picked. Right wrist in. Pay attention. This is the Master Lock 140. Now I have a theory as to why this is so quickly picked. I have a feeling that this pin trying to not cover it with a finger. This pin right here is the only one that's locking the core. So that's the. Go put in a wiper insert for some good old-fashioned tension. You can see the pin right there. Fuck. Zoom out slightly. You see the pin right there? I'm only going to pick that one pin. Fuck. My tension bar just flung out as soon as I picked it. Because I have only been really doing touching one pin. Let's see if that theory was correct. I did not modify this lock at all from its arrival. We're actually going to do two sections, so there's going to be a slight jump cut while I turn on the flash. Here we go. They're scratched up. Oh wait, is there only one pin? Hang on, I need to test. I think I just discovered that there's only one pin. Has a pin. No, there's definitely more than one pin. But I want to see if I can get a better angle for you guys. Just that one pin right there. It's not push below the shield line, I don't think. Just reset the pins. I'm gonna actually kind of pick it off camera slightly. Actually, we should do it on camera. Oh wait, is this seriously only 2 pins that is required? One, two. Wait, so you're telling me only 2 of those pins is required? Damn. You just discovered something. I only need to pick 2 pins. But I've been picking like 1, I think. Let me see if I can do it again. I should go way out. This is using the micro lens. Just did it stupidly fast. Okay, so I've been picking 2 pins at the same time. That's wild. So, see if I can grab a bigger single pick. And this is not for like teaching you how to break into things or anything. This is mainly just because a hobby I found that I really enjoy. Once again, the channel I'd recommend is Lockpicking Lawyer from my previous video. I'll link him in the description if you just like watching lockpicking content. Okay, I don't know how to pick with that one. Did I just rake it? Let's find out. Obviously, I can rake it. It's a master lock, but I wonder how easily I can do it. So yeah, if you ever want to pick up lockpicking, pick up a lock 141D and 140 from Master Lock. And so it's like a training lock that's clear, because you can get good at it fairly quickly, and those are 2 really nice beginner's locks that I found. Because they're also super easy. I also want the lock 141D, as shown in a video by Lockpicking Lawyer. Yeah, this is one I used to be using a lot, but as you can see, Focus. Share background. It's bent. So this is the one I had to switch over to. It's straight. Actually, I wonder if I can pick how fast I can pick up on a 141D. Let me find it. There's my box. Four pins. This one can actually be condone, which is a old school lock picking technique. It was like one of the first lock picking techniques, which consisted of a comb, let's call it, which all the same height of like teeth, and you just insert it and push straight up. By tension, actually, my tension the right way, yeah. It's one pick, it's one, 2 pins. Now this one's slightly more difficult. It's one pick, or pin. Okay, I can break this open. Or sew it to its seam. There you go. And this is the keys to this lock, which I've locked onto 141D because 141D's key is too thick to put on there. But yeah, to actually give you a demonstration of, or a better in-depth teaching tool, here is this lock pick. I'm just gonna pick it open real quick. And this is a clear lock. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6-pin tumbler. And there we go. The reason why I got the keys because it's a lot easier to show you. So all locks have what's called a shear line, which is above the which is above the tumblers. So here's the tumbler, here's our key, and all these pins get pushed over the shear line. Don't know if you really see that, but they're all flat. The pin opens, or the shackle. Now what makes this really neat, just take out this your pin. So here's your spring, which makes it spring loaded to shackle, so you don't have to pull up on it. That all shackles is spring loaded. Yeah. But what makes picking neat is single pin picking, which is the most valuable, because not all things can be raked. Sometimes you need to singly pin them, or single pin them. Which raking basically consists of luck. You can pick them one by one above the shear line. You apply tension so they stay above the shear line while you're picking them and don't fall right back down. Actually, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin tumbler. So look, we have pin 1 above the shear line, pin 2 above the shear line, pin 3 is not above the shear line, but 4 and 5 are above it. And 6 is not either. But 6 doesn't go above it, I don't think. 1 through 5 are above it. Now we should get 6 above it. You have gyro pins and you have normal pins. Fuck. So let me try that again. Click out 1, click out 2. Well, this is just one type of lock. There's also wafer locks, which are old school and very easy to pick open, usually. Or they're old technology. And they can be pretty easy to pick open with the right tools, apparently. They don't offer a lot of security, is what I'm saying. Alright. I just raked it open real quick. Focus. Yeah, see, look. They're all above it. I think I fucked it. I did fuck it. We're all above it now. And it opens. Now this shackle, I don't even think it's true aluminum. It feels like plasticky almost. It might be metal, who knows. Actually, I could test everything. Okay, let me pull out my knife. Okay, it's plastic. See, pretty easy cut. So that's plastic shell, acrylic body. Oh, it also might be plastic too, but it's called acrylic, I guess. Now you're probably going back, acrylic is a type of plastic. Oh well. I'm not a fucking scientist. I'm just a humble gamer. Damn it, why can't I do it now? I did it earlier, I just did one rake and done. There we go.